Hello everyone, this is Neerav. In this session I'll be doing Elliott Wave analysis of DAX 30. I will be using the monthly chart for the same. For the purpose of this discussion, I am using the platform of tradingview.com and right now on the monthly chart of DAX 30, which is an index of the German markets. So in this discussion we will be starting our count from this point, which is the point of reference in this case and is lying somewhere around the 3rd of April 2003. Alright, so let's focus on the more important thing, which is the count. So in this chart it's very clear that the upward progression is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 wave up, completing wave 1 of a bigger degree, and then 3 waves down, completing wave 2 of a bigger degree, and right now we are in third wave, which will have 5 waves of itself, as every impulse wave has 5 waves of itself, and for that particular reason we are in the 5th wave of the third. So this is our position as per the Elliott wave counts. So since we are in the 5th of the third, which means this count would be followed by a 4th wave and then a 5th wave afterwards. So that would be a thought for the future progression, but right now, or the immediate thing that we are going to focus on is this part. After this part, which is the current move. So after this part, I think that right now the thing which is going on is in this 5th of the third is that we are in the 3rd of the 5th of the third, 3rd of 5th of third, and this third is currently going on. Now there are two possibilities for this third. Number one is that it will face resistance at the all-time high of the DAX, which is around 12,400, which is this T1 line. It can either face resistance and go in sideways movement and then break it on the upward side, going for the T2 or the target 2 and then the target 3, or it can simply break for the target 2 and the target 3. So these are two possibilities. So based on these possibilities, let's see what would the wave structures be. If the third wave just stops there, then I think there would be a sideways movement like this. These are just rough arrows that I think, and after that it would be a break for the T2, which is around 13,000, and after that T3 would be around 14,000, approximate targets of course, and the T1 is the all-time high around 12,400. And the secondary possibility is that this 5th wave would be a failed 5th. If it's a failed 5th, it will end around the T1, that is, it will end at this region only. It will not cross above this line of 12,400 or the all-time high. In that case we will have a movement something like this. It will end here, and after that we will have sideways movement for the 4th leg, and then the 5th leg would go somewhere like that. So these are the two possibilities, but in both possibilities the long-term view is coming out to be bullish as per this count, and this is the main count that I have right now. So the long-term view is coming out to be bullish as of this count, and there is another count in which this 3 can come over here, but I don't think that would be the case scenario in this particular wave analysis, and that is the less likely scenario, and I will not be discussing that over here. So as per this analysis, I think this T2 and T3 should be achieved, and let's have a look how I came to the conclusion of T2 and T3. So I have selected the trend based wave extension tool. I'm starting from the starting point of wave 1 to the ending point of wave 3 and projecting it from the starting point of wave 5 or the ending point of wave 4, and as you can see, the targets T2 is coming at 50% mark around 13,000, and the target T3 is coming at 14,000 mark, which is at 61.8% level. So this is how I came to the conclusion of T2 and T3. These are the basic Fibonacci levels which are to be expected in case the third is not going to go much higher. That is, the fifth wave is not extended. In this case, this particular wave is not extended, then these are the two targets that I would be expecting. And of course the fifth wave can exceed these targets, but these are the basic targets to be kept in mind. So that is my primary view for DAX, and if you want more updates like these for like currency pairs, other indices and major commodities, etc, etc, then definitely subscribe to my channel. And you can also check out my Elliott Wave course, in which I have discussed all of these concepts in details, like how to count the waves and how to predict targets and how to take trades and all that. It's available on my website and the link is present in the description. If you like it, definitely hit the like button, subscribe for more such updates, and see you in the next one. Thank you.